this was my dog not being happy that we didn't invite him to the party for about 10 minutes. This is kind of a common thing with cats, dogs, furniture bumping trim like this, but this is pretty extreme. The first way that you could fix this is you could use something like Bondo for wood and fill all this in. And the only thing about that is if you're not familiar with using it, it might be a little tricky to get these profiles here depending on what type of trim you have. But I do have a video on that I will leave in the description. The second option I can think of for this is to cut the trim about right here and put a piece in here. The only thing about that is getting this seam to look good. Maybe it doesn't matter to you, but that could be a lot of work, just like using Bondo. You have to use something like Bondo, or if you caulk it in, it depends on how good you want it to look. But to make it look absolutely perfect is going to be a lot of work. So the third option is to just take this piece of trim off and replace it with a new piece of trim.